Hi guys, I'm Olivia Ayers, and today I'm going to be talking to you guys about how I got my internship here at J29 Creative and just some perspectives I've developed over the years. Growing up, I was extremely shy and introverted. I never liked to put myself out there, and it's funny because that's how I got this internship. I was by putting myself out there, and it was by just sending an email, introducing myself, kind of what I'm about. I think the first step is the hardest, and after you do that, it gets easier and easier. When I saw J29, I just loved how authentic it was, and I thought Kevin had such an amazing vision behind it. So I just emailed him, and he asked me if I wanted to set up an interview, and I said yes, and we just had a great conversation. What I've loved so far about J29 Creative is just how authentic it is, and I think that's what people really crave. They really crave authenticity. It's funny because when people are going out to get jobs, oftentimes they want to be perfect and have this perfect resume and all these great accolades, and that's great, and you should always strive to do your best, but I think it kind of isolates you in a way, perfection. I think people really crave vulnerability. I actually have an older sister who works in the advertising industry. She's about 10 years older than me, and a really amazing perspective she gave to me is that when you're first getting out there and kind of scouting for jobs, you really want to cast a wide net and don't limit what you're interested in. You could think you're maybe not interested in this job, but it could lead to something amazing and something interesting. So don't have such like a niche interest when you graduate college. Those are some perspectives I've gained throughout my college career that can help you enter into the working world.